Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope your trading journey is going very good. Let's see what we have discussed about index yesterday and how index have done today and what can happen tomorrow. Just a disclaimer, not coming straight onto Nifty. If you have watched yesterday video, we have clearly told Nifty can be in this range for tomorrow. It was clearly said. We can see a movement in Nifty. See, it opened at 25303, went to 25321, closed at 25267, and whole day. So this line, this blue line is very critical now. So Nifty has closed above this line today. So it's good. So Nifty was in whole range today. What can happen tomorrow? If we see some gap up, okay, then again I'm thinking a consolidation will be going on because we have an important data from US tomorrow. So don't expect IT to be outperforming as of now. Okay. So tomorrow data is very critical, which will decide rate cut होगा कि नहीं होगा. और ये कितना % basis point rate cut will happen, that data will decide. So if we see Nifty, so for me Nifty will be in this range only, 25,200 नीचे में because there is a good put writing and 25,300. It will not be easy to cross because a good call writer are sitting there. तो 25,200 से लेके 25,330 335, ठीक है, नीचे भी ये वाला जो लेवल्स है, तो ये गैप बचा हुआ है 25,150 25,203 से लेके 25,191. तो इधर भी निफ्टी मतलब ये जो लेवल है 25,190 टू 25,334, थोड़ा सा रेंज बड़ा हो जा रहा है, बट निफ्टी इसके बीच में रहना चाहिए. इतना इजीली निफ्टी बहुत बड़ा मूव नहीं दे सकता है बिन टुमारो एंड इवेंट. अब आते हैं निफ्टी बैंक. सी निफ्टी बैंक में what I have said clearly very tomorrow, if you see daily chart of Nifty Bank, okay, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे दिखेगा नहीं, almost see 1st August के बाद में closing was above 51,500 as told yesterday. ठीक है, इतना अच्छा क्लोजिंग इतना दिन बाद दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. इस लेवल में ये जो लेवल है 51,400 was very good level और almost 1 month के बाद में इतना सा क्लोजिंग मिला था बैंक निफ्टी को. It was clearly said again, it was said कि छोटा सा रेजिस्टेंस है at 51,580. If this is crossed then 51,740 मिलना ही मिलना है. And see how beautifully बैंक निफ्टी respected our level. देखो कितना बड़ा गेम हुआ बैंक निफ्टी में. It open high हुआ था. Okay, so trapped, all bulls went down and this is my AVWAP line जिसको आप देखो मंडे से क्या प्यार से रेस्पेक्ट किया. It become a good support, this line. See, closing was above this, respected this line, this line, this line. So this 51,320 325 जो ये AVWAP आ रहा है, it's respecting like anything. Then it gave a good move here. यहाँ पे शॉर्ट्स ट्रैप हुए 51,500 के ऊपर जैसे सस्टेन किया. 51,500 कॉल राइटर्स गॉट ट्रैप्ड, देन 51,600 also started unwinding their positions and finally Bank Nifty gave a decent close at 51,680. Tomorrow being an expiry, so आज बहुत बड़ा मूव आ गया. Tomorrow what we can expect? If 51,600 now becomes a very good support. Okay, so 51,600 51,600 and above that we have an open zone towards 52,000. So it will happen tomorrow or not, we don't know. We have to see how call writers play their game. So we can expect some move towards the end only. Big and data tomorrow coming. So we have to see how big the movement can be. But expect 51,580 to be a good support and above 52,000 can be seen if we get any candle closing above 51,750. What happened to the expiry play today? See how beautifully everyone got tracked. What we said, this is our range. See, opened here, again, open high, trapped all players there, all bulls. Okay, then bulls got activated. 23,700 huge call writer were there. 23,600 also call writer were there. 23,700 call writer got trapped. Then a clear move towards 23,800. 23,800 call writer also got trapped. And see how beautiful this move came. 23,950. So Nifty gave some tremendous move actually, guys. So for me, now you have to see how this acts here. Tomorrow we can see Nifty to be taking support near 23,800, 23,750 levels. Okay, and above we can see again a rise towards 24,000. Okay, so we have to see how Nifty behaves tomorrow. For me, it will be in range only. Nifty Midcap. We had some good trades in Nifty Midcap today. So Nifty Midcap, it opened above and closed for the first 15 minutes above this critical blue line. So was sure that there will be a move. So a move came and then the move fizzled out and it spent all the time here. Okay, so tomorrow again, if we see a strength in Nifty Midcap, expecting a gap up happens or a good candle in the first 15 minutes, have to see how it behaves at 1300 240 levels, or else expect it to be in 13,180 range to 13,240 range only. Because this was about index. We have shared a very good call today on Tata Chemical. Let's analyze why Tata Chemical we initiated a techno fund analysis on options call. See how this is done. So Tata Chemical on hourly, you will see a beautiful breakout was happening. This one. See, a beautiful breakout happened on Tata Chemical around this levels. We initiated a call of 1100 at 33.5 and it all went to our levels of 43. And we clearly told that on 15 minutes time frame, if this level of 1106 is sustained, we can see a further good move in Tata Chemicals. So Tata Chemicals good volumes is there. So that's the reason we've shared Tata Chemical. A quick 5,000 rupees was made. और अभी भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है Tata Chemicals. There's one more thing we said yesterday about Nifty PSU Bank. So what happened to PSU Bank today? So again, it's in range only. So for me, whenever Nifty PSU Bank outperforms, please do keep eye on this SBIN. Okay, as of now, there is no movement. See why SBIN? First, it's the leader. Second, it has already formed double doji on weekly. Okay, so any closing above 825 will be a good sign. And thirdly, just see this. It's a beautiful triangle breakout. Today seems to be a retest. Okay, so there is a gap till 846, which I think can be filled very soon once the movement comes. So keep an eye on SBIN. It can come any day. Okay, so guys, please hit the like button if you're liking our video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Please join us on our social media pages. Thank you so much, guys. Good night. Take care.